This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 144. Question is two cars moving in opposite directions approach each other with a speed 22 meters per second and 16.5 meters per second respectively. The driver of the first car blows a horn having a frequency of 400 Hz. The frequency heard by the driver of the second car is, and we have velocity of sound is 340 meters per second. Okay, so let me just draw the diagram so that we can understand the situation clearly. Let's say this is the car A and this is the car B. So the car A is moving with a speed that is, this is A and B, so this VA is 22 meters per second, right? And this B is coming towards A with a speed which is 16.5 meters per second, right? Now let's say the car A blows a horn, so this will be the source, and the frequency of the source that is given us, that is 400 Hertz. And we have to find out that what will be the apparent frequency to this, to the driver of the car B. Okay, so let us say this is the source, so the Vs, that is 22 meters per second, and this one will be the observer, so VO, that will be 16.5 meters per second. Okay, now if you talk about the apparent frequency, the formula that we have is F apparent, that will be how much? That is the original frequency of the source into velocity of sound plus velocity of observer by V velocity of sound minus velocity of source, right? So if you will put the values here, you will get what? This is 400 into 340 plus 16.5, and this is 340 minus 22, right? Why we are taking the plus sign here and the minus sign here? See, the apparent frequency has to be more, right? So the denominator has to be less, right? And the numerator has to be more. You can think like this also, right? So the F apparent will be what? If you will solve it, you will get 448 Hertz. Okay, so which option is the correct one? This option C is the correct one. Okay, thank you.